Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to apply for a job at AMC Theatres online. Here's a step-by-step guide. So first, open your web browser and go to amctheatres.com. Now, if you haven't signed in yet, go to the upper right corner of your screen and click sign in. And if you don't have an account, register by providing your details. And then, after that, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. And under the Our Company section, look for Careers and click on it. Once you're in the Careers webpage, find the Join Our Majestic Theater Team section. Now click the Apply Now button. It will take you to another webpage. And then on the bottom, use the search function to find available positions. You can leave the fields blank. Now, it will show you the list and you must review the job openings and click on the position you're interested in. After that, scroll down and click Apply to Job to submit your application for the desired position. By following these steps, you can easily apply for a job at AMC Theatres online.